The one that was sent.
Choose.
Eveth, okay. Okay, so let's do the first one here. So the holiday, so what you're gonna do, how I normally do this is I set up the holidays from September through February, and then February through August. So I do it in pieces, and this is because sometimes HR doesn't particularly know what day their holiday is going to be on. I mean, the federal holiday may be on one day, but the way they're going to give the holiday to the employee, either first, second, or third, may be on a different day. And you understand that that happens sometimes, right?
Yeah.
Right. So we'll look at the first one, the 16th of September, and it should be this holiday that applies to all of the employees, salary and union. Salary and union. Okay, so I'm going to just minimize that.
We cannot see what are you doing. I think you're using the other screen.
Oh. Oh, hold on. My mouse is going crazy. Can you see my screen?
Part of it.
Part of it?
Yeah, now we can see it now.
You can't? Okay. So now you can see my whole screen?
Yeah.
Okay.
We can.
All right. So in the setup area, I have to do this in English, or well, let me do it in Spanish, so it'll be more clear for you. It's just going to take me a little longer to find it. Okay, pay rules is what I'm looking for. Here. All right, so here's the pay rules, and in here we want to look at this right here is the holiday table. And this is for right now, the US holidays are in here as well as yours. And if you look, you'll see there's last year's. If we go to the previous, you're going to see 18, 17, 16. So you can see all of the years and how they were paid.
Okay.
We're going to focus on 2020. And the day we're looking for is September the 16th. We want to make sure that it's set up. So here it is right here, 9/16. This is the day, and it's already set up for you. So it's starting at 12 a.m. and it's ending at 11 p.m. This is because it applies to everyone. Okay.
Okay, but why 11 p.m.?
Because normally no one's going to work after that if it's a holiday. So it's pretty standard the way you do if it's a standard holiday for everyone. Where you see me starting it at 3 and ending it at 6, it means because it is applied to shifts differently. You'll see that, yeah, so for this holiday, some were on Thursday, some were on Friday, right?
Okay.
So that's why it's different. It was observed on different days, the 9th and then the 10th. And so we shorten it so that the span of time doesn't get picked up and paid incorrectly. In this case, for this holiday, everyone's going to get it at the same day. So we just put it 12 a.m. right, and then up to 11 p.m.
Okay.
All right, so that one is set up. The next one is going to be November the 2nd, which is not here. So here we go. So last year, you guys also did a, looks like Thursday, Friday. The 16th is when? Tomorrow?
Independence Day?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's tomorrow.
Okay, so it looks like last year, because I have it set up this way, it looks like last year some employees were paid on a different day.
Yeah, but not this year.
Not this year? Okay, so then we'll delete this.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna go ahead and delete. I don't know if I clicked on it or not. There we go. And then we'll just save it.
Okay.
So these are the things, so you set it up, but as a part of the setup process, what I normally did was in September, I send an email to all of the HR and I say, give me your holiday days for each of your shifts if it applies differently to your employees and if it won't apply to you. But I will also ask if the shift premium gets paid to them, they need to let me know.
Okay.
So then they would all respond, all the plants would respond, and even Mexico, they would say, our holidays are these holidays. So then I would go to this table and set them all up. Once I have everybody's response, I'd take about a day and just focus on this. Because once you have a holiday set up, you shouldn't have to touch the holiday table until the next time you need to touch it, which would be in February. Okay. Right, so we have this one set up. The next one should be November the 2nd, which is here. Yep, that's our holiday. We have it 12 to 11. Our next holiday, November the 16th, which, see how we have it as the 20th?
I'm not sure, it changes every year. Let me check.
Right, it looks like she has it on the 20th.
Can you click on the calendar icon?
Can I click on the calendar?
Yeah, because it's no, it's gonna be on. It's the third Monday. It's 16th.
So the 16th?
Yep.
Okay, the official day is the 20th, but it's going to be on the 16th. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see what she says. Okay, so for this one, we just need to change it to the 16th.
Okay.
And then end it on the 16th. Now you got to remember, once you change this one, this day automatically goes to the next day. So you got to remember to come and change it here.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to do that. We're going to save it. All right, so now the next one is December the 12th. Oh no, okay, so this is US. Yeah, this is US. We're going to go to the next page. November the 12th, here it is.
Yeah.
So that is on the 12th, but we have two of them.
No, this year we're gonna have just one for
just one. Okay, so we'll delete that. Say save it. I did hit save, right?
Yeah, the first button on the left. It says that it couldn't be deleted because it's probably in use.
Oh, okay. Okay, we'll go back and we'll remove it. We'll remove it. Oh wait. This is November the 11th.
No, it's day, month, year.
Oh, December 11th. Okay.
Yeah,
December 12th. Okay. So this is the one we need to remove, which is the one with the 11 in it. Okay. Then we have December the 24th and 25th, which are here. 24.
What is 24 is 2 times there because
one is US. One is this is the US and this is the Mexico. Okay. This one's the US and this one's the Mexico. It's because of how it shows in the schedule.
Okay.
Right. So that's why I made two, because I wanted you guys to have yours in Spanish and theirs in English. So, okay. So your employees only have this one, the 24th and then the 25th. And then the last one, which is the 31st. And everyone is New Year's Eve.
Okay.
I guess
There's
there
no
was,
Spanish for that.
yeah, well, no one's even there, so who cares, right? Everyone's
Yeah.
home. Everyone's home. Okay, so
Okay.
this part right here is the holiday table. This is where in February you're going to go to your HR to Hasiel and you're going to say, just like I did, Hasiel, please send me the updated information on the holidays and specify union, non-union, or whatever, right? And you come here and you're going to do the updates. For next year, you're going to just you're going to have this row and you're going to go straight to the 21st, the 2021, and you're going to say select the holidays. You won't have all this junk in front of you because this is the stuff that we're going to delete. Did you see my email to Brad about deleting information?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm going to delete all of the US holidays, which there are thousands of them, seems like, and then only keep the ones specifically for Mexico there. So you'll say, okay, we have that day, that day, blah, 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 and then you'll just move them over.
Okay, and where the system is pulling this days is in another screen or?
No, it's pulling them from is this return? Yes.
Yeah, return.
It's pulling them from these tables that have already been built.
Okay.
Yes, it actually, you want to use the same holidays that were already created because those values are already in your payrolls and your zones, which is what we're going to talk about next. You don't want to recreate anything because then you're going to make more work for yourself.
Okay.
Right, so you want to pick from the selected holidays. This way, all you have to do is verify your payrolls and zones. You don't have to make serious changes to it, okay? Okay, so the first step is to maintain your holiday table, which is what this is, your holiday table. Once US gets out of the clutter, out of your way, your list will only be one page and it'll be very simple for you to look at that. All right, so now we're going to go back over here and we're going to look at the pay rules. So this is the table that controls when a holiday is and then what times it applies to, right?
Okay.
Now we have the pay rules that are assigned to the employees that are going to say, these are the pay rules that these employees will, these are the holidays that these employees will get.
Okay.
Now remember, sometimes your second shift will get a holiday different than your first and third, right?
Yeah.
Right. So you may have to modify your second shift pay rules or your third and first pay rules. It will depend, but we'll go look at these real quick. I'm just going to highlight and then confidentials. I'm going to just highlight them all so we can go take a look at them. All right. So in a pay rule, we're going to go to the holiday tab. In here, all of the holidays that are assigned to this pay rule are selected here. They have to be selected.
Okay.
Okay, so if they're not selected here, it won't put the holiday in the employee's time card. Okay, so you're going to notice we have to go through here and make sure. See this one right here? This is the one we don't want.
Yeah.
So we need to take that out and we need to actually give the one that we want. So I'm going to filter on the names because it's easier to do it this way. Nope. This is the one we want right here.
Yeah.
So I'm going to select that one. Here, instead of saying assign it a new day, I'm going to say update the current version because in this case, it hasn't happened yet. I'm making a correction, in other words, for this one.
Okay.
So then I'm going to say save it. I don't want to hit save and return. I just want to save it because I want to go to the next one. Okay, so now we're on this one and I'm looking for, okay, this one is correct. So this is what I want to see. All of these, do you remember the other one that we deleted? We deleted two. Oh, It was one of
Yeah,
these.
it was the Día de la Independencia. But it's not there. But you already deleted.
I know, but I have to delete it from here because it's still in there. It was this one we deleted, right?
No.
No?
No, it was Día de la Independencia. Like the A1, but that is correct. I think that you could delete it from the holidays because it wasn't on use. Remember that you couldn't delete the.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So both of these would apply? I thought they only had the one day off. Good Friday.
Yeah.
Oh, well, this is Good Friday. So you can deal with this one when you get to it because they might have March.
Yes, they have a rule for the. ¿Te acuerdas si a los sindicalizados les dan solo el jueves, solo el Viernes Santo? Y creo a nosotros nos dan el jueves porque lo cambiamos por el cumpleaños o algo así. Pero a los sindicalizados solo el viernes, ¿no? Yeah, for the union, there's we only have to leave the Friday, Good Friday.
Okay.
Not Thursday. Yeah, we need to confirm because I remember there was a rule that they have only one day because they have their birthday for each of them or something like that. But let me check with Asael.
Okay. All right. So we'll leave that as it is, and we'll just go to the next one. We just want to make sure we're going to clear out that one because
that group was non-union, right? The previous group?
It was this one. First,
yeah, it's not union. Yeah, not union have the 2 days, the
okay.
Friday and the Good Thursday.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, this one is incorrect. So we're going to take that one off. And I'm going to filter. See, if I filter on this, then I can go to the actual day and pick the correct one. So again, I'm not going to save a different date. I'm just going to save it as is and then go to the next one. I can't tell if I hit that thing. Okay, there it goes. All right. So this one is non-union.
Yeah.
This one's fine. Okay. This one's okay. This is second shift. Okay, so I need to filter on the name. This is going to be so nicer for you, so you don't have to go through all those holidays. Yeah. Well, when I first got here, for some reason, they were creating a holiday for each plant, the same holiday. So I didn't like that, so I changed it. A holiday. Okay. The holiday is the holiday. The only difference should be the language. That's it. Okay, these are okay. And this one's incorrect. So we'll turn them off. And then we will go to page 3 because that's where it is and select it and just update the current one. And then we're almost done. We got the confidentials. They have the correct one. And then that's it. So we're at the bottom. So we went through all of them already and we took out that one. So now I bet we can probably go to here and remove that one that's incorrect. Let's see if we can delete it. There we go. So you see how that works? As long as it's assigned to another piece, you won't be able to delete it. It must be assigned still to somebody. So we'll just leave it for now. Okay. Next year, don't add it. Okay, so let's recap what we did so far. We modified our holiday table.
Okay.
We went to the specific pay rules and we verified the holidays by looking at each pay rule for their holiday values assigned.
Okay.
Now, the third part of this is in the zone. Each pay rule is assigned a work rule, and each work rule is a holiday zone. So now we got to go to the zones. And the zone that we're looking for is the holidays zone. And you have 1, 2, 3. Not these. These are shift premium zones and rest day zones and special weekend and shift. These are your holiday zones. So we got to go into these 3 zones and we have to remove the ones that we don't want to use. So here's that one. That's why we couldn't delete it. So we're going to save it and we will leave everything else in here. So again, we're just going to save, not save and return because we want to toggle through to the next one. Okay, second shift didn't have it, so we're good to go there. And now here it is right here, and we're going to remove them out. So that was just the 3 zones. So you have the 3 holiday zones. So you see how we worked from the top and worked our way back down?
Yeah.
We started from the holiday table, then we went to the payroll, then to the work rule. So now I bet if we go back here, we should now be able to delete that one. And save it. Let's see if it'll let us do it. Unless it's assigned, I don't know why it would be assigned to anything else. There we go. Okay. So we just got that one out the way.
Okay.
Okay, so that's pretty much it for a holiday. Again, you're going to do this. I would in January, sometime in mid-January, put a calendar note to ask HR for all of the holidays from February through to the end of August. And then they'll send you the list just like they did. And then just go through the holiday table and make sure that those dates are there. If there's anything that you have to change date-wise, all you want to do is then go back through your pay rules, which only is not going to take that long. And you're going to select your pay rules and just kind of go through them and verify that the specific holidays that shift is supposed to get is listed here.
Okay.
And then you need to go to the zones and make sure that the zone also has that holiday in that holiday zone.
Okay.
And then you just move from it again. It'll be so much more easier and cleaner once we scrub the data and get all of the US values out of there. Right?
Okay.
Yeah, it's not so bad.
No, not so bad.
Not so bad. Not so bad. I mean, it's a lot. I mean, it's a lot, but it's once you start to understand it, then it's not so bad.
Yeah. This is gonna be one time every year, right?
Twice. Yeah. Yes. No, twice a year.
Twice
February.
a year.
Yeah, February, you're going to ask the information for February through, I'm sorry, January. You're going to ask for information from February to August.
Okay.
And then mid-August, you're going to ask for the holidays from September to January.
Okay. Yeah.
And I do it that way because, HR, if they go through contract changes or if something, maybe the policies change, they want to change the days that they're giving.
Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes here we have we need to vote to change the the days. This is
Yeah.
why you are seeing the last year we have movements like because
Oh, yeah.
one day is going to be on Thursday, then we change it to Friday, but we need to pay in the for with some other holiday or things like that.
Right.
But yeah, this year no, with the
Right.
COVID thing, we are not allowed to move anything.
Right. And now the one thing to do is again, that's why you ask, for the 6 months, is because, you want them to send you the information. You don't want to assume. Now, yeah, I could Google it and I could find out when your holidays are, right? But what the federal guideline for your holiday day may not be specifically what your plant HR wants to do, right? So that's why you ask them for the information, they give it to you. Now, if they give it to you incorrectly and on payroll day they say, oh, this holiday's on the wrong day, then you just go into the holiday table, make your change for the date, right? So let's say that they said, well, for first shift, or for the holiday that's supposed to be for September 16th, well, we decided that we want to pay it on the 17th. So then you just say, oh, okay, that's fine. So you go into your holiday table and you look on the 16th and you say, okay, what day you want it? Oh, well, we want it on the 17th. And then you just change it to the 17th. Once you do it here, you don't have to change the payroll or the zone, because the value is already in there, right? But if they say, oh, well, we decided that, first shift needs to have their own holiday, but it's going to be given on the 15th and everyone else, then you have to go and create a new holiday, if you will. You're inserting a row, you're creating that new holiday, giving it a date. Then you got to go to the payroll, make sure it's in the payroll, make sure it's in the zone.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's clear.
All right. Okay, so all I have to do, I got to get you these lengths and the data types for those fields.
Okay.
Okay, I'll work on that.
Okay. Thank you very much.
All right, bye.
Bye.